Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed your weekend and now it's time to get motivated. My bathrooms needed to be cleaned, so I decided to make this video and give you some motivation. I don't know about you, but cleaning bathrooms is not my favorite thing to do, but we all know it needs to be done. So turn the music volume up and let's start with cleaning.
I take what's mine and I leave behind.
Save your breath, don't waste your words. I'm gone before the night is over. Don't lose your faith, keep it straight. I'm nothing like any other. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine.
I clean my bathroom thoroughly once or twice a month as needed, but I go around and clean it lightly once a week just to take off all the dust and splatter and just keep it clean.
What your heart's been told, and I'm not sure that I can tell much more. Lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline.
I take what's mine and I leave behind.
Now this bathtub I clean more often because my kids love to take a bath in this big bathtub. So we make sure to clean it often, especially during the summer months when kids are playing outside and they're very dirty. There's always a residue around. I cleaned my shower recently, so the only thing left to do right now was to clean my shower door, and I'm using my spray away glass cleaner just to make sure to take all the water residue off, and that way it's easier to upkeep. I try not to have too many things on my counters, so it's easier to clean and there's not too much dust to clean off of those things. I sprayed the bathtub with the Lysol multi-purpose cleaner, and now I'm using the Dollar Tree dish wand, which I filled up with Dawn dish soap and vinegar, and that way I just clean everything off, and that works really well for quick touch-up. I keep this wand over here in this bathroom, so it's always accessible for me to clean it whenever I need it. I love my vacuum cleaner. I've had this for probably 5 or 6 years now. It is older version of Dyson, but honestly, I hate the cord. And I really would love to have the cordless Dyson, but honestly, until this one dies, I cannot justify myself getting a new one. So I'm gonna have to stick with it until it dies. I also love my steam mop. This is Shark steam mop, and I got it off of Amazon for fairly affordable price. I'm gonna link everything down below. I love how it feels clean afterwards. Everything feels like it's spotless. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you got motivated to clean your bathroom or other areas in your home, and to start this week off right. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I would love to have you on my channel, so please subscribe and enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you soon. Bye guys.